Hello, curious minds. Beauty pageants are for Earthlings, so we're taking it to the next level. Meet the stars, galaxies, and nebulae competing for the ultimate crown, the real Miss Universe. We're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos, exploring the awe-inspiring beauty of our universe. Who will be crowned the real Miss Universe? Let's find out. Our first contestant is a vision in celestial grandeur, a cosmic butterfly frozen in a graceful pirouette across the vastness space. This, my friends, is the Butterfly Nebula, located some 3,800 light-years away in the constellation Scorpius. It's one of the most beautiful and symmetrical nebulae we've ever discovered. But what makes it truly striking is its shape. At the heart of the Butterfly Nebula lies a star, much like our Sun, but in its final stages of life. This star is dying, shedding its outer layers into space in a process called planetary nebula formation. Over thousands of years, this star will eventually become a white dwarf, a dense remnant of the once bright star. The nebula's vibrant colors are the result of radiation from its central star, with glowing blues, greens, and reds. As the star sheds its outer layers, powerful solar winds and magnetic fields shape the gas and dust into the striking hourglass structure we see today. The symmetrical, butterfly-like shape is both mesmerizing and a testament to the cosmic forces at play. Now let us share a few mind-blowing facts about the Butterfly Nebula. The central star, which is about 250,000 degrees Celsius or 450,000 degrees Fahrenheit, almost 10 times hotter than the surface of our Sun, is one of the hottest known stars in our galaxy. The nebula's wings span over 3 light-years. That's about 18 trillion miles or approximately 30 trillion kilometers, which is more than 190,000 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. The nebula is incredibly young in cosmic terms, only about 1,000 to 2,000 years old, which means we're witnessing the final stages of this star's life. But for now, we can marvel at its beauty, a testament to the power of the universe and the intricate dance of life and death that plays out on a cosmic scale. So, what do you think of our first contestant? Is the Butterfly Nebula's fleeting beauty enough to capture the crown? Our next contestant needs no introduction. With its iconic silhouette and dazzling display of starlight, the Sombrero Galaxy, also known as M104, is a true showstopper in the cosmic pageant. Located some 28 million light-years away in the constellation Virgo, this spiral galaxy is a sight to behold. Its most striking feature? A prominent dust lane that encircles the galaxy's outer edge, resembling the wide brim of a sombrero hat. The galaxy's outer ring is made up of a vast collection of stars, while the dark dust lane gives it the illusion of a cosmic hat perched atop the central bulge. This distinct feature makes it one of the most visually stunning galaxies we know. But what's going on inside this cosmic beauty? The Sombrero Galaxy is a spiral galaxy, but it has a central bulge that makes it appear more like an elliptical galaxy, giving it that unique, flattened shape. It's not just a pretty face, though. The galaxy's central bulge is home to a supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our Sun, which helps fuel its incredible gravitational forces. Despite its beauty, the Sombrero Galaxy is an ancient galaxy, with stars that are around 10 billion years old. Its dust lane is rich with star-forming regions, but what makes it so visually captivating is how the stars and gas are distributed. It's this balance between light and darkness, old and new, that makes the Sombrero Galaxy such a timeless wonder. Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts about the Sombrero Galaxy. The central supermassive black hole is estimated to be about 1 billion solar masses, making it a powerhouse of gravitational energy. The Sombrero Galaxy is relatively nearby in cosmic terms, just 28 million light-years away, but it's so stunningly clear that it was one of the first galaxies to be catalogued in the Messier catalog. The galaxy's outer ring spans about 94,900 to 105,000 light-years across, and within that ring, there are over 100 billion stars, many of them older than our own Sun. And here's something crazy. Despite its beauty, the Sombrero Galaxy is technically classified as C-type spiral galaxy. Its narrow dust lane and massive central bulge set it apart from other spiral galaxies. The Sombrero Galaxy may have the perfect cosmic hat, but does its beauty and ancient mysteries give it the edge in this galactic pageant? Our next contestant is not just a nebula, but a spectacular nursery where new stars take shape in the heart of a vast interstellar cloud. Welcome to the Pillars of Creation, an awe-inspiring structure and one of the most iconic images of star formation we've ever captured. The Pillars of Creation are located about 6,500 light-years away in the Eagle Nebula, M16, a region where stars are being born. These towering, finger-like structures are composed of gas and dust, and they're illuminated by the young, hot stars nearby. The nebula is teeming with activity, as clouds of gas collapse under gravity to form new stars. The pillars themselves are made up of cold gas and dust, stretching for about 4,000 light-years in height. They appear to be reaching up into space, but these towering structures are constantly being sculpted by the intense radiation from the young stars surrounding them. So, what's happening in these cosmic pillars? These pillars are essentially cosmic incubators, where new stars form in dense clumps of gas and dust. Over time, the material inside these pillars will collapse under its own gravity, leading to the birth of new stars and planets. As these stars are born, they release intense radiation, which then clears away the surrounding gas and dust at the edges of the pillars, creating these eerie dark regions. This process of creation and destruction is an ongoing cycle that shapes the future of this region of space. Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts about the pillars of creation. The pillars are about 6,500 light-years away, which means the light we're seeing today left the pillars more than 6,500 years ago, giving us a glimpse into the past. Within these pillars, the formation of new stars can be seen, and it's thought that the hot young stars in the nearby region are slowly eroding the pillars with their intense radiation and stellar winds. The pillars of creation may be the birthplace of stars, but do they have the power to win over your heart in this pageant? Fasten your seatbelts because our next contestant takes us on a journey to the realm of gravitational lensing. Welcome to the Einstein Cross, a cosmic marvel that proves how gravity can bend light and create multiple images of the same distant galaxy. This is a breathtaking example of gravitational lensing, first observed in 1994. This incredible sight is made possible by the gravitational field of a massive galaxy located between Earth and a distant quasar. So, how does this happen? The Einstein Cross is the result of gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Albert Einstein as part of his theory of general relativity. Essentially, when a massive object like a galaxy sits directly between us and a distant light source, its gravity bends the light from that source, much like a magnifying glass focuses light. This lensing effect can stretch light and distort the image, sometimes creating arcs or rings. But in the case of the Einstein Cross, the alignment is nearly perfect, giving us this symmetrical, cross-like pattern of 4 identical images. Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts about the Einstein Cross. The quasar at the center of the Einstein Cross is located about 8 billion light-years away. It's a result of a perfectly aligned system which makes it one of the rarest and most striking examples of gravitational lensing. Will its mind-bending nature and profound implications be enough to earn it the crown? Our next contestant challenges our perception of the universe, not with dazzling beauty or mind-bending physics, but with its sheer emptiness. Welcome to the Boötes Void, a strange and mysterious void in space that is one of the largest known empty regions in the universe. What makes this void so special and why does it exist? Let's find out. Located about 700 million light-years away in the constellation Boötes, it is one of the largest and most remarkable empty regions in the universe. Imagine this. A volume of space so big it stretches over 330 million light-years across. That's roughly 2,500 times the size of the Milky Way galaxy. And in this enormous, seemingly barren region there are very few galaxies, less than 60 known galaxies compared to the billions that fill most parts of the universe. The result? A truly empty void. But what exactly is a void, and how does it form? In the universe, voids are massive, low-density regions where galaxies are few and far between. They're not completely empty. There are still some galaxies, but the density of matter is much lower compared to the surrounding regions. Voids are believed to form over billions of years due to the gravitational pull of surrounding structures like galaxy clusters, which essentially push galaxies outward and create these vast empty spaces. The Boötes Void is still a part of the larger structure of the universe. It's located within a cosmic supercluster, a vast collection of galaxies which may suggest that the formation of voids could be tied to the large-scale expansion and distribution of galaxies throughout the universe. The Boötes Void is essentially a gravitational gap, a massive region where galaxies have been pulled away, leaving behind a vast and intriguing emptiness. Now let's dive into more facts about the Boötes Void. It was discovered in 1981 by astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team, who were initially searching for superclusters of galaxies and stumbled upon this immense area of emptiness. Interestingly, this void is often called the Great Void, but it's not the only one out there. It's just one of the largest, and researchers believe there are other voids scattered throughout the universe, although they're not all as massive or well-studied. So what do you think? Can this void, with its vast emptiness and profound mysteries, capture the crown? Prepare yourselves, for our next contestant is not for the faint of heart. We're diving into the heart of our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, to confront the ultimate cosmic monster Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole lurking in the galactic center. Located about 26,000 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Sagittarius, Sagittarius A star is an enigmatic powerhouse of gravity. It's packing the mass of 4 million suns into a region half the size of Mercury's orbit. As a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A star is located at the very center of the Milky Way, and plays a crucial role in shaping the galaxy's structure and evolution. Black holes like this are thought to be key players in how galaxies form and evolve over time. The incredible gravitational pull from this behemoth influences stars, gas, and dust in the surrounding region. So what else makes Sagittarius A star so mind-blowing? While it's mostly dormant right now, it has likely been much more active in the past, devouring large amounts of matter. Some scientists believe it could have even expelled powerful jets of energy in its earlier life. But here's the kicker. Despite its immense power, we can't actually see Sagittarius A star directly. The reason is simple. Black holes are defined by their event horizon, the point of no return. Instead, we detect Sagittarius A star by observing the effects of its powerful gravitational pull on nearby stars and gas. Over the years, astronomers have used radio waves and X-rays to study its behavior, and in 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope provided the first ever image of Sagittarius A star, offering a glimpse into the heart of this cosmic giant. So, will its immense power and enigmatic nature be enough to win over your hearts? Last but not least, we return to familiar territory, to the pale blue dot we call home. It may seem familiar, but when we put it in the context of the vast universe, it becomes all the more extraordinary. Located in the habitable zone of our sun, Earth is the only known planet where life exists, making it a true rarity in the universe. But what makes Earth so special? First, we have our perfect balance of factors: right temperature, liquid water, and a breathable atmosphere. These elements, combined with Earth's unique geological activity, have allowed life to thrive and evolve over billions of years. Our planet's ability to sustain life comes from its ideal conditions, but there's more to it than just that. Earth is constantly changing. From the movement of tectonic plates to the seasonal cycles driven by the tilt of our axis, the dynamic nature of Earth's geology and climate keeps things in constant flux, creating the environment we know today. Beyond its physical features, Earth is home to a complex web of ecosystems, from the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains. The diversity of life here creates a delicate balance that has lasted through changing climates and mass extinctions. Earth is one of the few planets in the solar system with a magnetic field strong enough to protect us from the sun's harmful radiation. Our moon too plays a vital role in stabilizing Earth's rotation and contributing to the beauty of our night sky. Earth isn't just a planet, it's a living system, constantly evolving and adapting to its environment. So while Earth might seem small in the grand scheme of the universe, it's undeniable that it holds a unique place in the cosmos. Could it be that Earth, with its life, beauty, and complexity, can win over your hearts? And there you have it, the contestants in our Real Miss Universe pageant. Now it's your turn to be the judge. Which cosmic wonder captured your heart? Or if you have another cosmic favorite that didn't make the cut, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which other wonders you think deserve the crown. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, hit that like button, share it with fellow stargazers, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.